Hey everyone, this is Sebastian Westerling with the National Weather Service in San Diego, here with this week's weather briefing. So, a few things that we're going to look at this week. We're going to continue to see a cooling trend throughout the week, to which point by the end of the week we'll have below average temperatures through much of the region. And accompanied with that cooler air will be gusty mountain and desert winds, especially late Wednesday through Thursday, with chances for rain on Thursday and Friday. Here are some of your high temperatures for the next few days. Today was a very pleasant day. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s for much of the coastal basin. We'll see temperatures drop off a few degrees tomorrow to the mid 70s for much of the Inland Empire, and temperatures a few degrees around 70 degrees for much of the rest of the coastal basin. Temperatures will still be pretty warm in the deserts, especially the low deserts, where we will continue to see temperatures in the low 90s, which for this time of year is still about 3 to 5 degrees above average. Now, Wednesday, we'll see a more significant drop off in temperatures, where most areas in the coastal basin will see temperatures no greater than 70 degrees. Most areas will probably be in the mid 60s, with the coasts in the low 60s. And then the desert temperatures will also come down, with temperatures back into the 80s, near normal for this time of year. For Thursday and Friday, we will continue to see temperatures decrease a few degrees, to where we'll have temperatures below average for the vast majority of the region, and temperatures in the low 60s throughout much of the coastal basin. So here is a look at some of the winds that we will see starting late Wednesday, with an enhanced sea breeze. So some of the areas that are usually more prone to see gusty westerly winds, like the mountain ridges and deserts and mountain passes, will see an enhanced sea breeze Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. And again, those winds will pick up once again Thursday evening as well. For the most part, most areas that I just mentioned will see gusts around 35 to 45 miles an hour, with some isolated, very strong gusts in the usual mountain passes, like the Banning Pass or the pass going through I-8. We also expect a chance for some showers. Notably, there's a chance for light showers along much of the coastal basin Thursday morning, which will be accompanied by a second little shortwave trough from the north, bringing additional chances for rain Thursday night into Friday. For snow, we're likely not going to see much of it. Snow levels will be around 7,000 feet, but there's still some uncertainty around those details. So stay tuned for additional forecasts in the coming days. Here's a look at your longer range outlooks. It looks like we'll continue to see, or once those rain chances move through, we'll see a slight signal for below average rain chances, which again for this time of year means a higher chance of getting no rain at all, at least in the foreseeable future, past the rain chances that we'll see this week. And then temperatures around normal, maybe a little bit below normal near the coast. We're starting to get into that time of year where we're transitioning from the rainy season into more of the May gray, June gloom regime. So we'll start seeing a more consistent change of pattern where we'll see a lot of the nights with increased cloud coverage over much of the coastal basin, and then seeing that burn off during the morning hours. Thanks for watching, and make sure to follow us on social media.